Hello everyone. So we will see how to buy PEPE coin on Binance exchange. First, open the Binance exchange. After Binance opens, click on the wallet section below. If you don't have Fat Bagda, first deposit on Binance exchange. If you don't know how to deposit on Binance exchange, you can also watch our videos on our channel. After the deposit is done, click on the trade section below, okay? If a disclaimer or something appears, click I accept and confirm. Then click on this section. After clicking, search for PEPE in the search section. PEPE will appear in front of you. You can also see the price chart. Click on it. If you want to buy PEPE at a particular price, click on the limit section. After clicking, set it to limit. Then here, set the amount and the price at which you want to buy PEPE coin. After clicking buy, your PEPE coin will be bought automatically when it reaches that price. If you want to buy PEPE coin immediately, click on the limit section again. After clicking, click on the market section, okay? After clicking, enter the amount again or scroll as per your preference, then click buy. Your PEPE coin bought now. So this is a simple process to easily buy PEPE coin on Binance exchange. If you still have any doubts or issues, you can contact us on Telegram. If you found the video helpful, you can also subscribe to our channel because we bring you helpful crypto related videos.